You'll be amazed to see how easy this recipe is to prepare. Here's a delicious one-pan orecchiette pasta recipe that's easy to make and requires minimal cleanup. Ingredients: 12 ounces, 340 grams, orecchiette pasta. 4 cups chicken or vegetable broth, plus more if needed. 1 can, 14 ounces, 400 grams, diced tomatoes, or 2 cups fresh diced tomatoes. 3 cloves garlic, minced. 1 onion, finely chopped. 1 teaspoon dried oregano. 1 teaspoon dried basil. 1/2 teaspoon red pepper flakes, adjust to taste. Salt and pepper to taste. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 2 cups fresh spinach leaves, optional. Grated Parmesan cheese for serving. Fresh basil leaves for garnish, optional. Instructions: in a large, deep skillet or pot, combine the dry orecchiette pasta, chicken or vegetable broth, diced tomatoes, with their juices, minced garlic, chopped onion, dried oregano, dried basil, red pepper flakes, salt, and pepper. Make sure the pasta is mostly submerged in the liquid. Place the skillet over medium-high heat and bring the mixture to a boil, stirring occasionally. Once it reaches a boil, reduce the heat to medium-low and let the pasta simmer uncovered, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. Cook for about 10–12 minutes or until the pasta is al dente and most of the liquid has been absorbed. If the pasta appears dry before it's fully cooked, add a little more broth or water. As the pasta finishes cooking, stir in the fresh spinach leaves if using. Let them wilt into the pasta for a minute or two. Once the pasta is cooked to your liking and the liquid is mostly absorbed, remove the skillet from heat. Drizzle olive oil over the pasta and toss everything together to coat. Serve the one-pan orecchiette pasta immediately, garnished with grated Parmesan cheese and fresh basil leaves if desired. This one-pan orecchiette pasta is a convenient and flavorful dish where the pasta cooks in the broth, absorbing all the delicious flavors from the tomatoes, herbs, and aromatics. It's a quick and satisfying meal perfect for a busy day without compromising on taste. Adjust the seasoning and spice level according to your preferences. Enjoy!